The deer is not scared of the dog at all. Oh my god. Aaron! 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 Oh! No! No! Aaron! Isabel! In! Get inside. Isabel! Come in! Isabel, come in! Oh my gosh. That's freaking cool. You're not scared of anybody. Isabel, come here! In! Oh my gosh, Adi is about to be on the porch. Oh my gosh. That's really ridiculous. We don't do anything about that deer. Oh my god. Is it rabies? What is it gonna do? Oh, poor Isabel, poor baby. I cannot let you out because I don't want to get hurt. You just basically, hey! Don't you eat my stuff! Get out of here! Out! Bad deer. Aaron cannot hear anything. He's deaf. Isabel, no! Aaron! 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 Oh my gosh. Isabel, come in. Come in. Isabel! Come in. Here! Isabel, in! Isabel, in! In! Don't you eat my food! Bad deer! Bad deer! Get out of here! It might be rabies or something. It's ridiculous. Don't get on my porch. Don't you dare to get on my porch. No, no, no. What we gonna do? What we gonna do with you, bad deer? Should we get him a snack? A rose? Let's get him a rose. See if he's gonna eat the rose. Isabel, no! Here's your rose. I got it for Mother's Day. Take it and go home. Here. Take it and go home. Are you gonna go home? Isabel is shocked. She's in shock now. Are you gonna leave? She ate, or he ate her. I think it's a she. She ate the rose and what? What do you want from us? Go! Don't eat the trees and don't eat my garden. Don't eat my flowers. Oh my gosh. It might be a rabies one. Isabel, come in. Come in. I don't want you to attack the deer. Go. Alright. My husband is deaf. He cannot hear anything. I got to call him now.